disturbing? What's the problem? What now? Come on, why are you disturbing? I was busy upstairs.
I came back for more money.
What money? I thought I already paid you.
You already paid me 500 naira for this old beauty.
500 naira. That's enough. That is enough. That was our agreement.
What is enough? Where I went to use the money to buy food, those people, they told me that this kind of house, if you want to give me money, you should have paid me up to 20,000 naira for 2 hours.
20,000 naira? What for? Am I buying your chair? Am I buying your TV?
You are not buying everything. Then leave my house. I want to use it.
I'm not done. I just started.
You just started. What if my uncle come with soldiers and beat everybody?
Are you a baby? A grown-up man like you, your uncle will come and beat you. Don't you have sense? He's not coming today.
My uncle don't beat me. If you want to hear that one, don't beat me. So if you don't agree, it's either you give me more money, and because you are my friend, I like to reduce the money for you. So what will happen? You will pay me 19,800.
What for? Guy, I don't have such. Okay, fine. Because I already put my cap. That's why. Yes! So for me to continue, I will pay you. Go.
Wait, but I cannot go. This is my house. You are just saying go.
You are distracting us.
Am I not waving?
That means you're coming upstairs.
I'm not coming up. I will just be seated somewhere here while you do your thing. And you have to do something.
I'll pay you. Fine, I'll pay you.
Wait, you are too in a hurry. The thing is hungry you. You still calm down. You are a man. Maintain yourself. I will be seated here and...
Don't make noise. Don't come upstairs.
And don't joke with my money.
Fine, let me finish.
If you like, if you don't throw on time, I will come up. If you pass 2 minutes, you pay more money.
What do you take me? Oh, 2 minutes.
I meant to say 2 hours. If you pass 2 hours by 1 second, I will come back.
Wait, Joe. Don't come upstairs.
I will not come.
My friend, my very good friend. That's how he behaves. He's a comedian. Let's go upstairs and continue.
If on a normal sense, who will pay 500 naira? What was I even thinking? This whole house for 500 naira. Because I was hungry, I want to buy a little food. And you gave me the 5. Evil friends everywhere. I will stay here, and if you stay more than 2 hours, I will come and disturb you.
Why? What happened?
Uncle, welcome.
Thank you. Why did you delay coming out to open the door for me? I mean to say, what happened?
Nothing. I was sleeping.
You're sleeping, like this. And your eyes are not swollen.
Oh, check, my eyes are swollen.
Your eyes are white as allergen bulb. You are telling me you were sleeping.
If my eyes are white, that means I was sleeping. I sleep to clear my eyes. Let's go inside. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hey! Uncle?
What is it? I know, but I'm kind of thirsty, so I need to take water from the fridge before. Anyway.
Uncle, I will bring the water for you.
I see. This your act is I don't
No,
understand.
Don't worry. See, your nephew is not a changed person. You know, since he left, I have kept good behavior. So just, I will bring the water to you. Everything I will do it for you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I will bring the water.
I'm suspecting this your movement. I don't understand.
No, don't suspect anything. You know, the sun is too hot. So you need to calm down while I bring your own water. Yeah.
No problem. I hope you are not planning to poison my water or give me sleeping medicine so I will sleep.
No. Uncle, if I want to kill you, I would have killed you. But I don't mean to kill you. If I kill you, you'll not eating your weight, and my name is not there. So just don't worry. When it's time for you to die, you die, not yet. So, just, I'll bring the water.
Thanks for watching that wonderful video from Laugh Loud Comedy. Please click on the subscribe button. It's very, very free. It's free. Please subscribe to our channel. Please.
And turn on your post notification. Tell them.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes, so please, so we love you. So you see amazing things from us. Amazing things. Please subscribe. We love you.
Leave that one. Subscribe.